This Monday morning, caution prevails in early action at GIFT Nifty. That's quite obvious as for the first time in 2 years, Nifty has ended lower for 8 straight days. The big question, can Nifty still ring massive rebound? At the outset, it appears mostly a backward and downward for Indian equities. The biggest negative catalysts FII's net sellers in this calendar year 2025 to the tune of Rs 116556 crores. The negative takeaway is that this year, FIIs have been buyers only into trading session. Amidst this backdrop, Nifty is down 3% this calendar year 2025. The broader markets continue to be major underperformers as this calendar year 2025, the Nifty Midcap 100 index tumbled 12.8% lower while the Nifty Small Cap index crashed 17.91% lower. Now, what can bring back the Nifty bulls? Probably excessive pessimism. The 5 positive catalysts. 1. On the positive side, please note, President Donald Trump has postponed taking immediate action on tariff front. 2. Media reports suggests that President Donald Trump along with Russia President Vladimir Putin and Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky yesterday are willing to begin discussions to end the conflict that has cost more than 1 million lives. 3. Secondly, WTI oil prices have tumbled below the $71 a barrel. 4. The US dollar has also fallen sharply towards 106.80 levels. Even the USD INR has tumbled towards 86.80 levels. 5. Lastly, please note, the RBI has slashed interest rates and as interest rates continue to fall on backdrop of cooling inflation, Nifty bulls should keep in mind that plenty of money is tied up in money markets will find their way back into equities, resulting into massive short covering and value buying. Bottom line, we will spy with one big eye if FIIs return to their buying desk. Market trends. Global cues are positive. In Friday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 40 to 95 crores while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 4364 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are aiming for lower high-low on the daily charts. FNO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index have inched up towards 15.01 levels. At last check, USD INR was witnessing profit booking, now at 86.80. Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 0.84 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 0.67. Nifty outlook, Nifty bulls will aim to regroup on any excessive morning weakness. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 929. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 22,787 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed only at 23,250 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 22,700 and 23,200. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 49099. Bank Nifty's make or break support seen at 48,500 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 50,000 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 48,500 and 49700. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. Nowhere to go but down. That was long and short of Friday's trading theme for benchmark Nifty as the Valentine Day showed its love only to the bears. The fall was so severe that we could virtually hear Dalal Street's computer servers breathing in the background with Nifty ending below most important psychological 23,000 mark. Technically, confirmation of strength only above Nifty's biggest hurdles at 24,051 mark which is also the benchmark's 200 DMA. Deepak Nitrite, minus 15% and Senco Gold, minus 20%, plunged on weak Q3. Manappuram 2 cracked minus 8% as its Q3 profits halved. Zydus Life Sciences, minus 4.35%, dropped despite receiving a clean chit from the USFDA for its Ahmedabad unit. On the positive side in Friday's trade, Godfrey Phillips, plus 20%, jumped on declaring blockbuster results as its consolidated net profit climbed 48.7% to 315.85 crore rupees in Q3 FY25. The corporate India's Q3 earnings to trickle in today. ABB.